taillights on, you know, and this guy fucking cuts in. You got the plate that masks the numbers. JNX 9663. Why don't you just go left side? You know what I mean? Like, why go around the car, pass from the right legally, when you could have done it legally from the left side, even though you're already going over the limit? They didn't stop for her? What? That's crazy. That's crazy. No fucks given, huh? Are you gonna go up more? Like where you going? Where you stopping at? You gonna go and then say I hit you?